Hello everyone! Welcome back to Crafting with Stephanie. I'm Stephanie, your Youth and Community Librarian at the Medicine Hat Public Library, and happy May the 4th be with you! Or maybe belated May the 4th be with you by the time you're watching this. I figured to celebrate this awesome Star Wars holiday is to show you how to make your very own galaxy in a jar. This is a really super messy craft, so I would highly recommend laying down some newspaper, maybe an old tablecloth, wear some clothes that you don't really want to get paint on, because yes, there is paint involved. There are two different ways to make a galaxy in a jar, and I'm going to be showing you both, just because it all depends on what supplies you have lying around at home. And it looks super cool. Alright, let's get started. For the first version, we're going to need a clear jar that's nice and clean and dry and has a matching lid. That's very important. It can be any size. It can be a small one, a big one, it does not matter. We're also going to need some glitter glue. If you don't have glitter glue, clear glue is fine. You will also need some glitter in that case, and you can also add food coloring so you can make your clear glue a nice pretty color. You're also going to need some water. Alright, so we're going to open up our jar, and we're going to start with our glitter glue or clear glue. And you're going to fill your jar about 1/3 of the way with glue. Just dump it right in there. Oh, I hope I have enough. This looks awesome. So yeah, as I said before, if you don't have glitter glue like I do, clear glue will work. A few drops of food coloring of your choice. And some glitter. Oh, come out, come on. Alright, so I'd say that's about 1/3 of my jar. You want to leave some room for your extra water in there. So beautiful color, and again, if you don't have glitter glue, you can just use clear glue with some food coloring. So the next step is you're going to fill the remaining of your jar with water. And leave a little room at the top so you can still fit the lid on in case there's any spills. Now I'm super extra, and even though I use glitter glue, I'm still going to add extra glitter because I love glitter. Who doesn't love glitter? Maybe parents, but I apologize, parents. Put as little or as much as you want in there. Okay, then we're gonna put our lid back on. Make sure it's really nice, tight, and secure. Then the fun part, shake it up. Mixing the water and all that glue and glitter together. Amazing. Now my glue is kind of separated at the bottom, so what I'm gonna do is if that happens to you, just carefully open up your jar again. That's why we don't fill it all the way to the top. And taking a knife, I'm just gonna kind of mix it in. My glitter glue is probably a little bit expired, so that's probably why it happened. Alright, I think it's now nice and mixed in. There we go. Look at that awesome swirling galaxy in a jar. Super easy. Oh, I love it. It's mesmerizing. Really calming to watch too as it swirls around. I love it. Awesome. So that was method 1 of how to make a galaxy in a jar. We're going to move on to option number 2. So for option number 2, we're going to need another jar. I recommend a bit of a bigger jar, or at least a nice tall jar, because we're going to make a bunch of different layers. You're going to need glitter, some paint. Tempera paint is usually the best. It's also nice because it's washable, so if you ever get it on anything, you can wash it out. And cotton balls. Also handy to have a little knife around. Alright, so we're going to open our jar. We're still going to need this water too, by the way, so make sure you have a lot of water. What we're going to do is similar to the first way, is we're gonna fill our bottle about a third with water first. That's probably a third, maybe? Yeah, let's go for it. Then you're going to take paint. I've picked 3 colors. I would recommend picking 3 colors. It will have the best effect in that, and you can pick different contrasting colors. I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna start with blue first, yeah. And you're gonna just put a few drops of paint in the water. Then you can go ahead and put your glitter in. I have some nice white glitter for this time. You can take your knife and kind of mix it around. Then the fun part, cotton balls. Now, did you know that some people have a fear of ripping cotton balls apart? It is true, a lot of people have this fear. So, forewarning, I will be ripping up some cotton balls. So if you don't like watching people ripping up cotton balls, please fast forward. And if you're wanting to do this craft at home, get someone else to rip up the cotton balls. All right, let's rip them up. So you kind of just want to stretch them out. And we're going to fill the jar with these cotton balls. These are kind of going to be like our galaxy waves that you see in those beautiful pictures that are all like kind of looks like clouds, but they're not really clouds. Again, this is where your knife comes in handy, so you can push it all the way down. And you're probably going to need quite a few because you want to make sure you see the cotton balls through your paint and water. So, time to rip cotton balls. Alright, so you can kind of see that my cotton balls are kind of above the paint now, so I think that's usually a good sign of where to start adding your next layer. So our next layer, grab your water, fill again with about a third of the way with some more water. That might have been too much, but that's okay. Grab a new color of paint. I'm going to do pink this time. Squirt it in. Some nice pink color in there. That made kind of a purpley color. And more glitter. Always more glitter. Okay, and repeat. Rip up your cotton balls, stuff them in there. Alright, so our final layer, fill up with water just until the lip, so that we leave a little bit of extra room just in case we need to go back. Grab your third color, pop it in there, nice purple, ooh. And more glitter. I think I might have filled mine too full, guys, because, that's okay. If you make a mistake, just pour out the water. Because once you put those cotton balls in, they're gonna take up a lot of space. If you leave a little bit room at the top there, you will be able to shake your galaxy jar once the lid is on. So let's secure the lid. Actually, a little bit more glitter. Never hurt anyone. Maybe a little bit more. Alright. Make sure your lid's on nice and tight before you shake it. And then you can give it a really nice good shake. There we go. Get the glitter moving. And look at that beautiful galaxy jar. How awesome! I'm going to put a smidge more water in there just to kind of make it more swirly swirls. There we go. There we go. This is awesome. I love it so much. I love the colors and the glitter and how it really looks like a galaxy. So, I hope you enjoyed this awesome space-themed, galaxy-themed craft, tell me in the comments down below which method did you like best for making a galaxy jar. Did you try both of them? Which one do you like better? Let me know. And if you end up trying this craft, we'd love to see your creations. Please post them on Instagram and tag us at MHPL Teens using the hashtag craftingwithstephanie. I love seeing all of your guys' crazy and cool designs and can't wait to see what you create. Well, happy May the 4th and stay safe. We hope to see you soon. Bye.